last class we discussed what is, right? Last class what we discussed. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now last class we discussed Terraform. What we discussed? Meta arguments already right? So meta arguments already So what are the meta arguments? So someone is joined. Just wait. What is this? So last class meta arguments. Meta arguments means that is count for each. And mostly they are asking count and all something. Count for each depends on next provider, next life cycle. This is very
Yes.
important. Life cycle. CYCLE life cycle. If we come to life cycle, right? What are those?
Create before destroy.
Create, very important. Create so underscore before destroy ds
Prevent destroy.
destroy prevent means if you don't want to remove any resource, if you don't want to delete, destroy destroy. Next
Ignore changes.
ignores. These are the main ignore ignore underscore changes. Okay, and these are, now if you come to last class we discuss provisioners. So there is provisioners, yes, provisioners. So there is file provisioner, private file provisioner, local
Yes.
exec, and so remote exec. Next what we discussed, only three local file provisioners. One more missing.
Null.
Null resource. This is very, very important. What is this? Null resource. Null resource means this is the one. So provisioner, it won't do anything. In remote mission, if you want to do some updation, if you want to update any content and all, so that case mostly we are using so null resource. Mostly we are using null resource. Inter purpose very, very important. Just learn what is what. That's enough. What is what? So that's enough. And today we'll see that continuation and all. Now, now come to here. So now come to here. Now come to our. So where is our? Anyone any doubt? Previous class? Just learn what is what. That's enough. Now we'll see. Now I'm going to write. So one. What is this? We'll see. Today we'll see state file. Today we'll see what is state file. Now before that, I'm going to create one new state file. So simply I'm going to create simply I'm going to create so cmd I'm going to create only one or two, that's enough, or else we can copy and paste existing also. So notepad main.tf file, just rec to whatever you want. So now what is the first block, guys? First block, provider, right? Provider. Under provider, so we need to give what we are giving, provider name. So this is the provider name. Okay, AWS. So here it is expecting what is this region, correct? Region. What is the region? I am using AP
AP
South,
soup.
AP South 1. Next profile. We can use access key and profile equal to
Default.
default, DFAULT default. Already if you using AWS configuration and all, that's it. So this is my provider. This is my provider. Now I'm going to add so one VPC or anything, whatever our instance, resource, resource name. and so local name. That's it. This is the syntax. First, you need to understand what how it will write. Uh, what is this? AWS underscore VPC. Correct. Here we can give any name. So DevOps underscore VPC. Just I'm giving any name. VPC expecting what? What we need to add? CI
CIDR
DR
block.
black BLOCK black equal to, we can give IP. For example, 10.0.0.0 slash I am giving 60, and remaining and all, so that and all optional. If you want to create, so if you want to create, that's it. And read description whatever you want, and also tag name, tags tags equal to, what is the tag name? We can add your tag name. So now I am using so name equal to, so what is this? So DevOps underscore VPC. I am giving same naming convention. You can easily understand. Now, so that's it. Now I have so resource, and else if you want to EC2. So resource AWS underscore instance. This is I need AWS underscore instance, double quotation missing, and we can give any name. Okay, dev instance DevOps underscore ins. Just I'm giving some name, and so here we need at least what we need, AMI, AMI, AMI. What is AMI? And what you need, instance
Yes.
underscore type. So here T2 medium or micro. T2, which one mostly we are using? Free tier, medium or micro?
Micro.
Micro.
Macros.
Micro. Okay. AMID. We need to get AMID from, I am getting so AWS only. So hard coding right now. Later, so if you want, click on new launch instance. Just get whatever you want. This is AMID. This is my AMID. Now we'll see a few more things. That's enough. I'm not going to add. Remaining and all your wish. Subnet, security group and all. Now control S, save. Now I have Terraform. Terraform. First Terraform. Terra, Terraform init command. What is this? Init command. What is this? Instance type. AWS quotation missing. Instance underscore type. Correct or wrong? AWS instance Terraform. Just copy and something we missed. What we need, AMI instance underscore type. Instance underscore type. Instance underscore type. Correct one, right? Instance underscore type micro. Just I'm giving. That's it. Mostly we are using which type?
CIDR block. CIDR block instead of double quotation two times each.
Okay, here CDR block. Okay. Now this and all, no worry, it will work. Okay, that's it. Anything
So I
missing?
end with one extra curly
CIDR.
brace.
DIR is there. CIDR block.
CI. Okay.
DR.
DR. CIDR block. Okay, that's it, right? Anything missing? Resource
So
name.
in tag section, we given two closing
Tags
curly braces.
equal to
There no sir, above one sir.
tags. Correct one, right? Tags equal to what, Shiv Shankar? Clear, right? Tags equal to my instant DevOps instance.
So the above one resource,
DevOps.
so VPC resources is one black is there sir.
Wait. I'm finishing this one. What is this? Tags. Correct one, right? It will work. Name equal to VPC.
Here we didn't given two closing curly braces sir.
All
Think
done, right?
there
Start
is
here,
one
end
only
with.
curly
Start
brace.
here, end with.
DevOps. Resource Yeah, DEVO.
This is we can give any name. This is local
Okay.
name, right? We can give ABC also. It won't work. It will work.
Okay.
This is our name, right? ABC. What our name we
Mm,
can give ABC. That is this and all local names. We can give any name XYZ.
okay.
There is a it won't affect anything. This is main. This is the syntax. This is our local name only. We can give any name.
Okay.
That is not an issue. Terraform minute. Now see here. That is the second one is right side local names. We can give any name.
Okay.
But naming convention purpose, we are giving proper name. That's it. So, but
Okay.
this is we can give your name, my name, any name. Add, so VPC underscore. I am giving demo. So here, this is a EC2 underscore demo. We can give any name. This and all not issue. Only this is correct. We need to follow syntax. This and all local names. Now that's it. Now see here, Terraform, Terraform plan, Terraform plan. Now if you go here, Terraform plan means, now before that I want to show something. Okay. Now see here, this is a file, right? If I use Terraform plan means, now see here, how many resource it is going to create? Two resources. One is, what is this? EC2 demo, other one is VPC. Now got it. So if we have subnet also. If we have anything, so that and all. Now there is a enter purpose. So there is one more question. What is Terraform state file? What is Terraform state file? Dot Terraform state file. Very very important. So most of the people they are asking this question. What is Terraform state file? See here, the Terraform state file. This is by default named is Terraform.tf state only. Extension should be tf state, and it is hold same directory where Terraform is running. ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది default గా, where it is hold same path only. Where is your Terraform files? Same path it will generate. Same path it will generate. Now try to understand. Same path it will generate. It created after running Terraform apply. When it will create? When it will create? So now I use Terraform plan. Do we have any state file here? This is my path. My Terraform file ikkada undi, main.tf file. I am running here only. So now I am using Terraform plan command. Do we have any state file here? Yes or no?
No.
No. Now I am
No.
using a Terraform
No, sir.
apply command. See here, Terraform apply command. So if I use Terraform apply command, so now then only it will going to create. See here, Terraform.tf state created or not? Check date and time also if you have doubt. Now see here, state file. This is Terraform. Now I am going to give yes. Now I am going to give yes. Now try to understand. See here, Terraform state file is created. Terraform state file is created. So where it is creating? Your directory only. Your current directory. Current directory means where you are running. Where you are running. See here, the actual content of this is the JSON format, and so it is having your actual configuration resource. This actual, that is means what we are going to here. Now it is created or not? Error. What is that error? Mm, mm. AMI image ID does not exist. Leda, it is available, right? Image not having. Which one I copied? Correct one only, right? Now go to here. What is AMI? We can copy. Mm, this one only, right? I copied AMI. This is Linux and
You are not in the right region. No,
oh, okay,
you are
okay,
not in
okay.
the right region.
Correct. Now one is observed. So I am in which south. I am in south. Here we need to copy that AMI. Otherwise it won't work, right? Now correct one, right? Mumbai. So now copy this one. Now copy this one. You understand, right? Why it is throwing error? We are in different region, but we are running different region. Your AMI ID copied from different region, but I am running so that AMI different region. Anyway, okay. Now I am using so Terraform apply command. So state file created after applying Terraform apply only. So if you use plan, it won't create any state file. And so this is in current same directory only it is generating. Same means wherever we are running your script, same path. So it is running a same path only. It is running a same path only where Terraform is running. The created after running Terraform apply. When state file should be create? Terraform apply only. The actual content of this, so this is the JSON format. So all resource should be mapping in the JSON format, and so that is the that existing your infrastructure. Infrastructure means this is my AWS, right? So whatever resource it is going to create, this entire infrastructure now one instance is created. So this is the DevOps underscore instance, right? DevOps underscore instance. So this instance is this information it is stored into the state file, the actual resource. Now see here, so it is created or not? See here, terraform.tf state file. Now if you open this file, if you open this file, we see here, if you open this file, so what is this information? This is a JSON format. What format this is? JSON format. And so this actual your AWS right, resource information we can see here what is type I given, right? AWS underscore instance, and what is name I given, EC2 underscore demo, and so provider, what which provider we are using, AWS provider, and what is the AMI ID, which AMI ID you are used. I hope you understand that. And so what is the which it is creating, it is created so AP South 1B. And also now we can see some and whatever right, so that and all we can see. And where you are using, this is ID, and see here instance type I used T3 micro. And so these are the some basic details, right? So now we can check what is this information, what is your instance IP, private IP, and what is your public IP. Now we can check it, 6487, 6487, 6487. Now see here, now got it. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Did not got clear?
Clear.
Okay. So interval also very important. So now what we understand, what is state file? Terraform state file means ఏముంటుంది దీంట్లో, వాట్స్ టెరాఫామ్ స్టేట్ ఫైల్ కంటైన్స్ యువర్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. అంటే మనం ఏదైతే క్రియేట్ చేసామో దాట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉండాలి, ఇట్ ఈస్ స్టోర్ ఇన్ టు ద జేసన్ ఫార్మెట్. యు అండర్స్టాండ్? And when it will create interview also, one or two people they asked, terraform state file should be created apply or before apply?
After.
After apply only. If you
After
use a
apply.
plan means it won't generate any state file. If you use Terraform apply, then only same directory we can see one file, that is nothing but Terraform state file. And this Terraform state file contains your actual AWS infrastructure information. Already we written some script, right? We created also few resources. That resource information, actual resource, actual means your AWS. So that information and all it is stored into the so here. So now we can see everything. As of now, I created one EC2 instance, and I created one VPC, and what is my VPC ID, and what is my IP VPC ID, black range, and so that information and all we can see here. Now one more. So there is one more file also is there. See here, backup file. Backup file. Let me open this. Both are same content only. both are same content only, but compare it to terraform state file, so this is less information, but this is like backup file. In case suppose if terraform state file is missing, we can use this one also. Now got it? This is also same only. Now if you want to observe, we can observe here also. So what is this is VPC ID, and so now see here what is my VPC, that and all. Now we can see instance, what is the type managed VPC underscore demo, which name I given, what is my AWS provider, and so that information and all we can see here. This is backup. Even if you delete, so no problem, it will work. Even so, this is like backup only. In some case, if your state file is delete, and for example here I deleted state file, if I use again apply means, so what it will generate, observe here, see here, I deleted. If I use apply commands, what is happening?
Will recreate.
Now try to understand here. I deleted. Now again it is showing here 2 to add, 0 to change. This try. Now come to here. Now go to here. Now see here one more. One more is created or not? You test. Either create chesaro. No. Something. Okay. Don't want delete. Okay. Now see here one more instance created. 2 to add. 2 to add. Now again I am giving a same command, terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. Now see here 0 to added, 0 changed, 0 destroy. Now what you understand? Anyone at least guess it? Hello?
Nothing makes sense.
Already resource got created.
Source created, but ఇప్పుడు కూడా రిసోర్స్ ఉంది కదా నాకు. నేనేం చేస్తాను చూడండి మళ్ళీ. So I am go to here, delete terraform state file. Again I am running terraform apply. See here ఏమర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు? Terraform, what is the greatness of terraform means idempotent, right? If already resource is created, it won't create, correct? Srinath garu clear?
Yeah, clear
బట్
అండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతున్నది, ఇది క్రియేట్ అవుతున్నది, ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ క్రియేట్ అవుతున్నది?
State file is when state file is
Now got
deleted.
it right?
Yeah,
If you delete state file, if you run it means every time it will create the resource. Now if you observe
yeah.
here, 3 instance we can see. Now extra 3 2, right? Now we can see 3. Now one more also created. Suppose if I keep I didn't modify anything state file, I didn't delete anything. If I run multiple times, in this case it will create or not create resource?
Not
Not
create.
create, because already state file available
Yep.
undi. Check chesukondi. See here, so it is refreshing state, and your infrastructure matches the configuration, and Terraform has compare your local real infrastructure against your configuration there, and no differences, so no changes are needed. అర్థమైందా? So what is the behavior of state file? State file is nothing but this is it contain actual AWS resource information. If you delete, if you run means every time it will create resource. Suppose if state file is available, it is comparing, it is refreshing. మన కోడ్ చెక్ చేయదు, స్టేట్ ఫైల్ చెక్ చేస్తుంది, చెక్ చేసి సేమ్ ఈపీసీ ఐడి ఉందా లేదా, ఎస్ ఆల్రెడీ అవైలబుల్, సో వై యూ నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్, ఇట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్. Instance, already same instance id undi, same everything already available, it won't create. But if you delete state file, so now Terraform don't know, Hey, there is nothing is there, just recreate it. Now see here, 3 VPCలు ఉంటాయి. See 3 instances, right? Now VPC also, VPC. Now if you go to VPC, now you can see 3 VPCs also. Now see here, same tag name, but ID should be changed. VPC ID anyway change అవుతుంది, but మనకి tag name తో same. See here, so 10 dot. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? Very very important, try to understand. Very simple only. Terraform state file unte, so it is checking if you run any Terraform apply command, it will refresh it, it will check with Terraform state file. If same resources available, it won't recreate. So if Terraform state file ledanko, every time it will create new resources. I hope you got it right. Still anyone any doubt? Hello, clear?
Yeah, clear
Okay,
అండి.
so very very important, just remember, this is like backup file only, this is like backup file only. And so that entire information available here. Even if you delete, so no problem, it will work. Even if the backup is that is only backup file. And so I deleted backup file, I am running so apply command mostly. So that is only backup file, but so this is the original file, state file is the so actual resource, that is only backup. Even if you delete, no, there is no effect. But if you delete state file, again it will create all resources, again it will create also all resources. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir.
So now I am deleting, I am using also one command, terraform destroy. And so now see here, to destroy. Now how many it is deleted? Same name, if I didn't modify anything means, now matched to, it is destroying 2 VPCs, 2 EC2, 2 VPCs, 2 ECs, whatever matched, everything it is destroy. Now if you want to, you can check it here also.
When there is no Terraform state file at the time, it will destroy or not?
I will show you. Now this is ID. Now go to check it, how many it is deleting, VPC, right? So it is matched to, it is going to delete 2. There is one more also available, I run multiple times. EC2, EC2, EC2. Now click on, see here, one time it is matched to one instance, one every time one it is deleting. Now go to here, deleted. Again I am running, so one more time. So one more instance it is going to, one instance, one nothing. So only one time it is matched, nothing. What is your doubt? Now I am deleting this one,
After,
correct?
yes.
So
ఇప్పుడు
before,
కాదులే, ఇప్పుడు కాదనుకుంటా మనకు.
ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ లేదు కదా.
అవును.
Now I am going to delete Terraform. First, before that, I am going to change name. Okay. Where is my script? This is my script. Yes. Terraform state file. I remove this one. Now see here. Now no match found, right? Now if you see here, this is also updated. No match found. Here I am using Terraform destroy, right? No objects to need destroy. Now see here, state file also updated. State file also updated. Okay. Now I'm going to do something changes here. Not here. This is where is my file? This is my file, right? Click on this. Now I'm using demo 1. Now understand? Okay. Class another. I am changed demo 1. Okay.
ఓకే.
Now I am using Terraform, Terraform plan. First I am using Terraform plan. Plan means so it is doing 2. I modified, right? We are expecting 2 only. So 2 added. And so Terraform apply. Now automatically auto approve. Auto approve means now state file should be updated. State file should be updated. Now if you open this, now see here two resource going to create. One is demo, VPC and instance and all. Now go to here state file. This is a state file, right? First let me create. Once creation is done, now go to here. Now you can see earlier that is nothing, right? Content. Now you can see that information and all. Now your delete your so your doubt is now Terraform state file is deleted. Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Now go to here Terraform apply destroy des. ఇంతకు ముందు ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? దేన్ని కంపేర్ చేసిందని చెప్పాను? దేన్ని చూసుకొని అది రిఫ్రెష్ చేస్తుంది? See here. Every time it is comparing state file only.
State file only. Okay.
Now there is no
If
state file.
there is no state file at that time, it
So
will
it won't
destroy.
destroy anything. దాని తెలియదు అసలు
Okay.
టెరాఫామ్కి. టెరాఫామ్
Okay.
మోస్ట్లీ ఇదేం చెక్ చేస్తుంది?
Depends on
State file only. What
state
are
file
the
only.
information
Okay.
available in state file? Based on that state file, it is checking whether we need to delete, whether we need to create, whether we need to modify anything, whatever it may be. I hope you
Okay.
got it right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now delete. So but generally state file we are maintaining so one common repository S3 bucket and all, multiple people working parallelly, and so that case it is following so lock mechanism also. We'll see later. S3 bucket, while creating S3 bucket I will show you. So I hope now we got some idea, right? Clear?
Yes.
Anyone any doubt?
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I use apply command means what it is happening, again it is creating one more instance,
State file.
one more
State
VPC,
file.
one more instance, one more VPC and one more instance. ఇవన్నీ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు కొద్ది క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఇన్నేసినంత మాత్రం మనకి ఇంటర్వ్యూ కూర్చున్నాం అనుకో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ బ్లైండ్, మళ్ళీ మొత్తం మర్చిపోతాం మనం. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ప్రాక్టీస్, నౌ విల్ సీ ఫ్యూ మోర్ థింగ్స్. నౌ క్లియర్ ద స్క్రీన్ CLS and so now this is my state file. I hope everyone know. Now I am going to do some operations. Now Terraform state. If you use Terraform state, so we can see some of sub commands. So if you use Terraform state means now see here this command has sub commands for advanced state management. These are the sub commands: list, move, pull, push, replace provider, remove provider, show the resource in the state. We can see some sub commands. These are the optional. Based on requirement we can use it. Now if you use list means list the resource in the state file. State. Now in the state how many resource available? Anyone guess it? Already this is very simple file, right? How many we have? ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మనకి రిసోర్స్ లో?
Tools.
Only two. One is VPC, other one is AWS underscore instance. Now same command we can see here. Now see here Terraform state. I am using state list. Now we can see AWS underscore instance dot EC2 I underscore demo1, AWS underscore VPC. Now see here AWS underscore VPC dot EC2 underscore demo. Is a demo1, right? Modify చేసింది. Where is that? Wait, let me open. Go to here state. This file I modified. Demo1. This is the actual file. Okay, see here AWS underscore VPC underscore demo1 and AWS underscore instance dot EC2 underscore C. That is the list. Suppose if I add one more resource, now got it? So if I add one more resource, automatically it will show that list. Now I'm using so VPC demo2 and here I am using so 10 dot okay 20. Here I am using so VPC2. Clear? I am adding one more resource. Okay, so remaining story same only. Now I am using Terraform Terraform so plan. Now see here, Terraform plan means already 2 is available and one to add. See here, one to add, remaining already existing, right? Clear. 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Now I am using Terraform, Terraform, Terraform state list. Terraform state list. See here also we can see only two. Once if you use apply only, once you use apply only, we can see that list. Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen app auto hyphen upload. Now clear.
Limit is exceeded. Limit is exceeded.
VPC,
Yeah.
VPC creation exceeded. We need to delete few things. Manual, I am going to do something, or we can delete here. Terraform destroy. First I am going to remove one thing and remaining I am going to delete all. Okay. This is easy to demo one. Remaining all I am also deleting manually. So let me check it. So this and all we don't want. Action terminate and go to UPC. Go to here. Already this is done, right? Still it is refreshing. Wait. Okay. To destroy. Click on VPC. Just refresh it. So how many VPCs we can create? Any VPC will create, sir. Delete.
Five.
Hello. How many VPCs we can
Five.
create? Already we reached, right? So that is the reason we are getting error message. Delete. Just I am deleting manually. I am not going to do anything. Don't confuse here. Or delete. So that's it. I don't have anything. Any subnets. Okay, leave it. Now go to here and so Terraform apply. So now I added one more resource. Now I added one more resource. Now two VPCs, one instance. Two VPCs, one instance. That's it. Now I'm using Terraform state space list. How many we can see? Resource names. Resource names. ఎన్ని రావాలి మనకి 3 or 2 or 1? Terraform
3.
list state hyphen space list. Now see Terraform typo error. Terraform state hyphen list. Now see here we can use so we can use a list. List means it will display the list means so it will so display the it will display the so existing resource list and all. So now Terraform state list. If you use list means okay, that is Terraform state only, right? Now one more command, move. You know, right? Copy, move. What is move command? Linux. Linux లో move command me వాడతాం కదా. See here, move an item in the
Four.
state. Move an item in the state. Before moving, first let me show you state file. So this is the state file, right? Go to here, open this file. This is the state file. Yes. Now, so here what is this my information? This is the EC2 instance. Come down VPC. Where is VPC? This is the AWS VPC. This is local name, right? Demo 1 and demo 2. Demo 2. Correct? Clear? VPC 2, demo 2. This is the VPC demo 1. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to do same command, move command, and state and state. What you need to do? What is this? State
State
mv
MV,
mv. First, before that, I need
existing
to.
resource.
I am copying this one. Anyone, that is your wish. Okay, I am copying existing one, and we need to replace a new one. I am using so demo new. Okay, clear? Anyone, any doubt here? Terraform state mv, and this is the existing list. This is already, this is my VPC name. Okay, now I change it to demo. That's it. Now see here, successfully moved one object. Now, so if you go here, state file, where is my state file? If you go here, this is main, right? Where is state file? This is a state file. Now if you observe here, so automatically it will change it into the state file. It won't change in our local code, it won't change in our script. If you use move command, it won't change any effect in our script. It won't affect in our script. See here, in my script, so same name available. I hope you got it, guys. Confuse avadani ikkada. So now I used terraform state move. Move means where it will update this name. Our terraform script or our state file?
State file.
Only state file it is updated. Now if I use terraform something, see here, I am using terraform apply. Now we are getting one error message. Now check it whether we will get error message or not. Only one to change. Why it is changed? Destroying one and creating one. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if you
Then
want to go, what is this VPC? Now if you go to here VPC and just refresh it. Now see here where it is 20, which one automatically changed, right? Destroying and recreated, destroying and recreated. Is there any timestamp which is latest? So based on, we can check state file only. Based on this, we can where I changed state file, right? Where is this state file? This is the terraform state file, right? So which one I changed? Demo
demo
2,
1 to demo
demo 1,
news.
demo 2. So now see here, again it update into the your state file. So execution and all based on your script. So that based on that information it is updated. No, no, sir. Whatever I updated, I want to update my script also. So that case, what I need to do? First, I am using same command, terraform. Terraform. Where is that command? State move, destroy, auto list. Move. I'm going to demo 1. I'm going to change demo 1 and now moved. Now this you need to change. Now state file is updated. Now state file is updated. See here. Now we need to copy this name and we need to update in our local code. Otherwise, every time it is so it is based on your script only. It will create a real infrastructure. Okay. Now where is my file? Go to here. Main dot. Not this one. Where is that file? Main. This one. And so this one, right? We need to change it. Clear? So now both are matched. Now both are matched. Now both are matched. Now I am running same command. Now see here what is happening. Even మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది how it will work. ఇప్పుడు now 0 to add, 0 to changed. ఎందుకు 0 to add, 0 to changed? ఇంత ముందేమో క్రియేట్ అయిపోయింది, ఇప్పుడేమో 0 to add. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు ఏమొచ్చింది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఇంత ముందు సేమ్ కమాండ్ అప్లై చేస్తే సో 1 to add, 1 to add అని వచ్చింది, 1 to destroy అని వచ్చింది. బట్ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసింది, 0 to add, 0 to change వచ్చింది. నౌ యూ గాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ రైట్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. ఇంతకుముందు నేను ఏం చేయలేదు, మై యాక్చువల్ రిసోర్స్ నా స్క్రిప్ట్ నేను అప్డేట్ చేయలేదు. సో ఓన్లీ Terraform state file it is updated. Whatever you moved as state file it is updated. If you run apply command, so based on your local script only it is executing, right? So that is the reason it is created. Now I updated whatever name available in state file, same name I updated in my local TF file also. Now see here it is checking both are matched, there is no changes. Srinath garu, clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so that is the, so if you want to update we need to update manually, otherwise every time it will create based on your local so script only, local script only. Now one more command, what is that? Clear screen, terraform state. Now so move all, move, okay, me, okay, list, okay, pull means pull current state and output to standard input output. So pull means so how it will work now, you know, right? Git docker push pull Jenkins, sorry, docker and git push pull, clear? డాకర్లో కానీ జెంకిన్స్లో పుల్ పుష్ ఉంది కదా, గిట్లో అయితే ఫుల్ ఫెచ్ పుల్ పుష్. డాకర్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్, పుల్ మీన్స్ pull current state and output to standard output. I want to get information. So now see here, the terraform state pull, terraform state full, I'm giving some name, I want to store that information so somewhere, for example devops dot, so devops dot tf state file, tf state. So I am getting pull command, I need to get current state information and standard I want to store somewhere. Now see here, file is saved. What is my file name? What is this file name? Now we can see here also dir. Now we can see that file. Where is the Terraform state? Notepad, and so devops Terraform state file. Now what information we can see here? At least guess it. మనకు స్టేట్ ఫైల్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ నేను ఇంకో ఫైల్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాను. Both are equal or both are difference information?
Both are equal.
Both are equal only. If you want to we can use this file also, if you want to we can use this file also. Now clear? If you have doubt, open both and compare, open both and compare. If you want to we can open both and compare, now that's it, check it. And so next one more command, cls terraform, this is very important, list, okay, terraform state list, terraform state list, terraform state only, right? State. Now replace provider, see here, replace provider in our state. I want to replace something, whatever you want, that is your wish. I want to replace so something. Now provider name, what is the provider name currently I am using?
AWS.
AWS. Suppose if you want
Yes.
to replace terraform state, and replace hyphen provider, and what is the existing name,
Yes.
and new provider I am using GCP. GCP. I want to update something Google. Now see here. So do you want to make these changes? Now see here. So do you want to make these changes? Do you want to make these changes? Yes or no? If you want to yes, will accept the continue. No means it won't. Now I am going to use yes. Now see here, successfully replaced provider for 3 resources. Now go to here. Where is my file? Go to here, not here, AWS state file, and so this is state file, right? Open this and yes, and now we can find somewhere. Now see here, I changed provider name. Now see, this is the provider, right? So earlier we can see that is the AWS. Now what it is changed? మీరు ముందు చూస్తుంటే ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుంది?
GCP,
AWS అని
AWS,
ఉంటుంది. Now it will change to GCP. Now
GCP.
same way it is updated 3 resources. Now go to here and so somewhere we can see. Now see here, here also demo 2. Now so based on so wherever it is available, it is updated. So that case we can, if you want to update, your provider name, if you want to update your provider name, so this is the command. So terraform state replace provider, and that's it. Now I am using same command, uh, GCP. I am changing to AWS. That's it. Okay. Now let me see one more command. CLS terraform 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 state remove. We need to understand very well. Remove the instance from the state. I want to remove anything. So how it will remove? Now see here. Now how many resource as of now my file? Terraform state list. Terraform state list. I have 3 resource, right? I am going to remove one resource. Now see here, terraform కొద్ది ట్రిక్కీగా ఉంటుంది, just try to understand. Terraform state rm, terraform state rm, and so give which resource you want to remove, guy. Which resource? I have 3. Which one you want to remove? 2, demo 2, or new, anyone, whatever. For
AWS.
example, I want to remove this one. Copy this one and paste it. Terraform state rm, and so this is my resource name. Now see, successfully removed one resource from the instance. Now I am using terraform destroy auto approve. If I use this command, now anyone just actually I have 3, right? It is going to remove 3, or it is going to remove 2, or it is going to remove only 1. So if you use remove command means I use remove, right? Now what is this? This resource Terraform treat as non Terraform resource. అంటే దాని లిస్ట్ లో నుంచి తీసేసింది. దీన్ని Terraform లిస్ట్ లో నుంచి తీసేసింది. Now it is not going to remove it. Now try to see. Now I am giving a count should be 2 or 3.
2.
2. 2 వస్తే మన క్లారిటీగా వర్క్ అయినట్టు, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ నాట్. Now see here, 2 only. That one resource, what is happening? That is non terraform resource. అంటే దాన్ని నేను లిస్ట్ లో నుంచి ఏం చేశాను? తీసేశాను. Now if you want to remove, we have to do manually. Only. What is that one? Which one I removed? Now if you go and check here also. So VPC. Now refresh it. Now one is removed, so and this won't, it will remove. So that is the Terraform non-resource. Terraform non-resource. It is removing only. Terraform non-resource. This is the non-Terraform resource. It won't destroy. It won't destroy. So in state file they removed it. Okay. Hey, this resource remove from the list. Remove from the list from that state. So this is like a non-Terraform. Non-Terraform means ఇప్పుడు టెరాఫామ్ ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతుంది, మనం క్రియేట్ చేసినట్టు మాన్యువల్గా మనం క్రియేట్ చేసినట్టు వితౌట్ టెరాఫామ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ నాన్ టెరాఫామ్ రిసోర్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రిమూవ్, వీ నీడ్ టు రిమూవ్ మాన్యువల్లీ. యూ నీడ్ టు రిమూవ్ మాన్యువల్లీ. అర్థమవుతుందా? క్లియర్?
క్లియర్.
నేను మాన్యువల్ ఒక రిసోర్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేశాను, నేను దాన్ని డిలీట్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా డిలీట్ చేయాలి? మాన్యువల్గా డిలీట్ చేయాలి. క్లియర్? Now one resource like that I make it as one resource, non Terraform resource. Now it won't remove. If you want to remove, we need to remove manually. We need to remove manually. Clear? Anyone any doubt as of now? I hope you got some idea, right? So what
Yeah.
is Terraform state, and so how it will work? There is Terraform state file lock mechanism also available. I will show you later. So for the time being, just try to understand what is Terraform state, and so how many commands available. If you want to, we can how to play it. Okay, that's it. So that's it. So that's it from my side.